So Jonathan Ruiz po, your accounting coach survival tips. So from the past two lessons, I hope you keep learning. So this time, what I'm going to discuss is the different branches of accounting. So to take note, I have done some research and look for different definitions of branches of accounting. Then I also look at what are the possible type of jobs that you can work after graduation in those different branches of accounting. So ngayon pa lang, you need to look at yourself and do some reflection if this is the job that you want to do in the future. No? And then pick a specialization or mastery para kung gusto mong maging certified public accountant or certified management accountant. So it's up to you kung ano talagang field yung papasukin mo. So let's move on. So we have different branches of accounting, kagaya branches of accounting na kagaya ko nga na na-mention ko. So, diyan papasok yung financial accounting, management accounting, government accounting, auditing, tax accounting, cost accounting, accounting education, and accounting research. So, my question is, which branch of accounting you want to work in the future? So, pagpasok mo actually sa Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, kailangan pa lang sa first year, kailangan mong maintindihan kung ang accounting ba talaga is para sa'yo. Because later in life, then if you realize na hindi pala ito yung work na gusto kong pasukin na nasa field ng accounting, then you need to look already. Huwag ka na magsayang ng pera for taking Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. So habang maaga pa lang is alam mo na kung saan at anong field yung kailangan mong pasukin. So if you need to shift course, then shift it early. Kasi you are going to waste money, time, and effort. So to move on, so what is financial accounting? So actually, financial accounting, ang pwede mo maging trabaho dyan, of course, is a financial accountant. Financial accounting is a specialized branch of accounting na ang kailangan mo gawin is there is a preparation and production of financial statements. Gagamit ka ng standardized guidelines which is in the Philippines is the International Financial Reporting Standards or Generally Accepted Accounting Principles or the Acceptable Financial Reporting Frameworks. Ang nangyayari is, ang trabaho ng financial accountant is to records, no? Kung ano lahat ng mga transactions ng company, then produce the financial statement reports. Now, kung ikaw naman ay isang management accountant, so ang field or branch of accounting is management accounting. So this is a profession that involves partnering in management decision, devising planning, performance management systems, and providing expertise in financial reporting and control. So management accounting is more on reporting to the management. There is no specific standards. And then the possibility is if you are taking managerial BS in management accounting, then the possibility is you can be a certified management accountant. Sa US is US certified management accountant. Kung ikaw naman ay sa Europe is meron tinatawag na CIMA. Okay? Now, we are going to look at the difference between financial and management accounting. Okay, so financial accounting actually, the focus is on the financial statements that are going to be distributed to different users of information that it can be external and internal. Kasi dito, pinipresent ng financial accountant the performance or position ng company. So kaya kailangan niya mag-prepare ng different financial statements which is balance sheet, which is statement of financial position, income statement or the statement of financial performance. Ito yung profit and loss statements. And then a statement of cash flows and a statement of changes in stock in equity or the stockholders' equity. While ang managerial accounting is, ang focus niya is providing information to the company's management. So internally, no? Siya yung gumagawa ng budgeting, forecasting, break-even analysis, cost accounting, operational budgeting, profit planning, which are relevant to cost decision making. No? Dito rin papasok yung activity-based costing and standard costing. So maraming nasasakop din ang managerial accounting. So if you're gonna think about it, Managerial accounting is internally, and then financial accounting is externally. Now, let's move on to government accounting. Of course, the possibility is you can become a government accountant. So sa mga government agencies, again, kung mapapansin mo, tuwing may word na accounting, laging nandiyan yung process ng recording, analyzing, classifying, summarizing, communicating, interpreting financial information. But in this case, you are part of a government agency. You can work on the COA, BIR, and different agencies na pwedeng na naghahanap ng accountant. So ang tinatawag sa kanila is government accountant. No, maganda actually mag-practice is sa DBM, sa Department of Budget, no? So diyan talaga is makikita mo kung paano ina-appropriate yung budget, yung national budget sa iba't ibang branches ng government. So maganda mag-practice din po ng government accounting. So auditing, dito naman ikaw ay magiging isang auditor. So kung gusto mo is pumasok sa auditing firm, and ang gagawin mo is audit, which is examination of entities' accounting records. No, usually you are a certified public accountant to practice, to have this practice. No, kasi you should express an opinion on the fairness of entities' financial statements. So kung hindi ka CPA, you cannot sign on the audit reports. So this is also a good for recently passed the CPL exam, then this is the field that I highly encourage you to enter, yung mga auditing firms, yung the Big Four. Kasi marami kang matututunan dito. So kahit na you take an experience for 2 to 4 years, then you can move in a higher position later in a private companies or in a public companies. So nasa sayo yan. Kung ano talaga yung nilalaman ng puso mo, yun na follow mo. So isa rin gusto kong i-discuss is the difference between auditing and accounting. Kasi minsan, nagkakaroon ng maling interpretation. So, accounting actually is the systematically keeping the records of the accounts of the organization and preparation of the financial statements. While auditing is the inspection or the verification that the financial statements in accordance with generally accepted accounting principles. Na, ang accounting is based on the accounting standards. Ang auditing is on the standards on auditing. Ang tatawagin nating nag-work sa accounting is an accountant. Performed by an accountant, of course, sa auditing is an auditor. Pero accountant pa rin siya. Ang auditing is nangyayari after the process of accounting. So once na prepare na ang financial statements, then papasok ng isang auditor to audit the company's financial statements. Ano yung purpose? Ang accounting is to show the performance, yung profitability, financial position of the organization. So meaning yung preparation ng financial statements. Yung pinaka-results is the financial statements. Ang auditing is, i-reveal ng auditor kung ano ang meron sa financial statements if it is fairly stated na nag-express siya ng opinion. So accounting starts where bookkeeping ends. No? Pag natapos na yung bookkeeping, mag-start na talaga yung pag-prepare mo ng financial statements. And accounting is a continuous process in a day-to-day recording ng business. Ang auditing naman is nag-start siya when accounting ends. Pag natapos ng accounting, so ang auditing na ang papasok, which is a periodic process, which is depende sa company mo kung magpapa-audit sila. Okay? Now, another branch of accounting is the tax accounting. So the possible work is tax accountant, tax consultant. So ang definition is a structure of accounting methods for focus on taxes. So dito sa Philippines is a very good practice will be if you can become a tax consultant or you can work in Bureau of Internal Revenue. Okay? So meaning ang standards is na kailangan mong i-master is the tax laws sa Philippines or the National Internal Revenue Code. Cost accounting naman, this is another type of jobs na pwede mong pasukin. Cost accountant, cost controller, so you are the one responsible for the costing or the standard cost of the company. So usually, ang cost accountant works in the manufacturing business. No? So magaling ka pagdating sa costing. Okay? Kung gusto mong maging cost accountant. Accounting education, dito napapasok ang pinaka-noble jobs is teacher or professor. So yung mga educational and academic teacher and professor na nagtuturo ng accounting subjects and academics. Then accounting research, dito yung mga, of course, usually is yung mga doctorate na, and usually yung mga nasa matataas na positions na gumagawa ng accounting research that they will present para maging standards. So to give the recap, so we studied the 8 different branches of accounting, the different jobs in the branches of accounting, and of course, my advice is for you to take a mastery for a specific branch of accounting and understand which work you want to go on in the future. So ngayon pa lang, don't waste your time. Kung hindi accounting yung gusto mong pasukin, then don't take the Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. But if you think that Bachelor of Science in Accountancy will help you achieve the field or the type of jobs that you want in the future, then go and pursue it. Napakaraming opportunities, no? Then, ang accounting coach survival tips, Jonathan Ruiz po, maraming salamat. So our next lesson will be the users of accounting information. So hopefully in the future, you will be able to find the right job for you. Salamat po.